Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A15, and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down to Additional Settings, select Storage right on the top, and then scroll down to your SD card, and you will find the Format SD card option here. Simply click on it. It does give you a message, quick one, that all data on the SD card will be erased. So if there's anything that you would like to keep on that card, back it up beforehand or you risk losing it all. So from here, let's just tap on Format SD card. It gives you same message once more, so tap on the Format SD card, and this will begin removing all the data from the card. Now it's a fairly quick process, it only takes a couple seconds, at which point the card will be immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. Simply click on OK and you're done. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.